Hello and good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ben from Mentamind Capital, and today we are going to talk about the Coinbase stock. And our subscribers should probably know that we have been talking about this particular company for quite some time now and made some videos back in the earlier months of this year, and should be familiar with our bullish expectation on this stock. And we are going to look at our short and long-term count, and I'm going to explain our expectation for this company. But first of all, I want to highlight that back in February, we announced a long position. That means that we went long in this company back in February, and I announced this on our website, and you should be familiar with it by now, mentamind-capital.com. And I announced in a Friday special update that we are going long in this particular stock. To be exact, we went long exactly 3 days prior to this and updated our subscribers about this one with a video. And the chart should be very familiar with the one which you just saw, and I just wanted to highlight that you know that this has been our primary expectation for over 3 to 4 months as of now, and it has been playing out quite good until now. And our entry price was $58.76 back then. And to be exact, this position is still active, and we are in profit nearly 40% and are doing very good. And right now I want to explain our counts, so I'm going to delete this off screen. And first of all, this was the absolute bottom in the Coinbase stock at $31.57, and since then we have seen a large price increase in the early months this year, and this was a wave 1 top right here. And after that we have seen a pretty long correction in multiple corrective movements in a wave A right here and a free wave B, and after that a sort of wedge in a 5-wave bearish impulse. And after that the Coinbase stock has had quite a good time, and the main reason for this is that the Central Bank of England, this is a major exchange operator, named Coinbase as their partner in their effort to launch a Bitcoin ETF. So that's going to bring a lot of capital into Coinbase, and I'm really thrilled on how this will play out. There isn't a final decision on this topic yet, and I'm going to talk about this in our Bitcoin and Ethereum video, which I will post in the upcoming days. But nevertheless, it's quite a good news, and I'm really thrilled to see how this will play out. And right now we will talk about our price targets for this year. The wave 3 should continue to unfold in the upcoming weeks and months, and we should reach $137 in the next weeks and months. I expect something between the months of fall. And after that we should experience a short wave 4 and a wave 5, which will push us to nearly $160 before I expect that we will establish a macro wave 1 and a macro wave 2, but this is far too much in the future, and of course our scenario could change a little bit and is open to adjustments, but this is my primary expectation, that we should reach $137 in the next months. So quite a good price target. I would be thrilled to see this play out before the end of this year, and I recommend signing up on our website if you don't want to miss such a long position again. And now I'm going to switch into the more long-term count, the 2-day chart to be exact. And this was, you might remember the IPO from Coinbase back in 2021 in the tech bubble, and this resembles the cycle wave 1 top. And after that we have seen a huge crash in a wave A and a corrective movement in a wave B. and then this was just a bloodbath to watch. Honestly, I didn't bought any stocks of this company back then because it was clear that this company was so overvalued. It was worth nearly 100 billion, if I remember correctly, and this was just an insane valuation for Coinbase. And it was almost clear as day that the stock would crash tremendously. And after that, we have experienced this huge wave C, and the stock was down from top to bottom nearly 93%. This was absolutely horrifying to watch, but of course, because of this, the stock holds a lot of potential. And as you can see, this is the same exact count right here with our macro wave 1, which should top out before the end of this year. And after that, I expect that we will see something of a macro wave 2. And after that, a possible price target of $400 is no joke, but this goes too far into the future. And as you can see, this is purely speculative as of now, but I'm going to hold on my positions in this company, and the Bitcoin ETF should bring a lot of volume in this stock. So that's it already for today. I think that the path has been discussed pretty clearly by me, and if you should have questions, please just leave them in the comments and I will answer them, of course. And that's it already for today, and see you guys in another video. Goodbye.